What we are looking is the Caddy California Edition 1, and well, resembling a small van with some clever designs inside, like an fold down bed to make a sleeping area for two people, and also the double hob, and under it just a lot of space for your kitchenware. Well, that's actually pretty clever in the design. Folding up there, we have the bed made for two people with additional storage space and stuff that you might need. And yes, you have the slide outs on all parts with this bed that you can make in a couple of seconds. And this is the new style for the Volkswagen chassis. Well, it does not look bad at all. Pretty nice. Going around, this is the California Max Beach Edition, actually California Caddy. There you have it, California Caddy for 2026.